Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
First scamma by God. Tell the crowd that I want to put you up on Facebook Live.
The foul-mouthed youngster speaking in this video that has been circulating on social media needs intervention from the local child agencies.
Nobody boy never buy me nothing.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
At this moment in time, it is unclear when and where the video was made, but the boy boasts of illegal activities that he is allegedly involved in.
Nobody boy never buy me nothing. Yo, first scamma by God. Tell the crowd that I want to put you up on Facebook Live. And you see this about boy, show me $50 in 9 pounds, me give you 1,000.
No money right now.
Cases like these should be investigated by the relevant authorities. They need to find that child and do a proper investigation. Find out what activities he is involved in and who he lives with and if he is going to school. If this child is left unattended or not rescued, chances are he is going to become a criminal. This type of behavior should not be left alone. The nation is losing its values and the level of respect between adults and children has decreased dramatically. There was a time in Jamaica when children never spoke like this. In addition to speaking in an adult manner, he is speaking about something illegal. But this only goes to show the seriousness of what is going on in our household and our country. There was a time when adults would scold a child like this, but now they are cheering them on. Our Jamaican children are now living more like adults. There are children committing vicious crimes against each other. We are trying to fight serious crimes, but we are not looking into the lives of our children. It starts right there. This is where it all starts.
Nobody boy never buy me nothing. Yo, first scamma by God. Tell the crowd that I want to put you up on Facebook Live.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.